Unpacking Loot Drop, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss. We're going to delve into the meaning and use of the phrase, loot drop. This phrase is popular in the gaming world, but it's also used in everyday language. So, whether you're a gamer or not, this video is for you. Let's get started. Loot drop is a term that originated from video games. In this context, loot refers to items or rewards that players can collect, and drop means that these items are released or given out. So, a loot drop is when items, rewards, or treasures are released in a game for players to collect. In the broader sense, the term has spilled over into everyday language to describe a situation where someone receives a surprise gift or reward. It could be used to describe finding a great deal while shopping, receiving a bonus at work, or even getting a surprise gift from a friend. To better understand loot drop, let's go through some examples. 1. In gaming, I was playing the game for hours, and I finally got a legendary sword in a loot drop. I was so excited. Here, loot drop is used to describe a rare item, legendary sword, that the player received while playing the game. 2. In everyday life, I was walking down the street when I found a $20 bill on the sidewalk. What a loot drop! In this scenario, loot drop describes the unexpected surprise of finding money. When using loot drop in a sentence, you want to make sure that it's clear you're talking about receiving something unexpectedly or as a reward. It's often used to express excitement or surprise. Here are some tips. Be clear. Make sure the context of your sentence makes it clear that something good and unexpected has happened. Express emotion. Loot drop is often used in exciting or happy contexts, so feel free to express that emotion in your sentence. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, loot drop. We hope this video helps you understand how and when to use this term, whether you're navigating the world of gaming or just describing an exciting surprise in your everyday life. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy learning!